Beneath the roar of compressors and the glare of arc lamps, this facility bends physics and fortune, transforming ordinary elements into flawless stones that rival anything pulled from the earth. Today on Warehouse Insider, we'll learn how it's manufactured lab-created diamond engagement jewelry. Inside, the journey begins. High-purity graphite pellets are unloaded from rail hoppers and conveyed into the sealed intake system, feeding the factory's continuous supply of carbon for diamond growth. Graphite pellets stream along stainless steel chutes onto belt scales, as sensors, diverter gates, and technicians precisely sort and sample each carbon batch for lab-grown diamond production. Streams of graphite powder are automatically formed into test pellets, analyzed for purity, and visually inspected with contaminated material rejected and clean carbon routed onward for diamond growth. Graphite pellets are milled into fine powder, then carried by conveyors beneath magnets and sieves that remove impurities and control particle size for diamond growth. Refined graphite powder drops from overhead hoppers into sealed blenders, where it is mixed with precise amounts of metal catalysts and gases before being pumped onward through monitored lines. High-purity methane and hydrogen are precisely metered and mixed in this manifold, as automated valves regulate a continuous gas supply to the diamond growth reactors. Robotic arms load polished diamond seed plates into high-pressure cartridges, feeding a staggered line of presses that run continuously to grow new synthetic crystals. A grid of HPHT reaction cells runs continuously as robotic arms swap graphite and catalyst cartridges in and out, sending finished capsules to cooling racks that shimmer with heat. On a cooling line, robotic clamps unlock HPHT growth cartridges, sliding out the solidified reaction capsules that once held diamond-forming pressures and temperatures. Automated cracking stations split open the spent reaction capsules, shaking free metallic gray diamond nodules from the surrounding carbon and feeding them onto a conveyor for sorting. Freshly released rough diamonds ride a conveyor beneath rotating drum washers, as recirculated deionized water strips away residual carbon to expose their translucent crystal cores. Rough lab-grown diamonds cascade past high-speed optical scanners, where cameras and air jets sort each stone by size and shape into precisely labeled collection lanes. Rows of rough lab-grown diamonds glide beneath scanning lasers, their 3D models calculated in real time to automatically route each crystal toward its optimal cutting path. Automated diamond saws, coated with industrial diamond grit, slice rough crystals into thinner preforms as coolant flows over the blades, and reusable offcuts are carried away. Along a moving rail, robotic arms align each frosted diamond crystal as precision lasers trace internal planes, cleaving the stones into clean future facet pieces. Pre-cut lab-grown diamond crystals are automatically clamped, CNC ground to precise geometric shapes, and released onto a moving belt as sensors confirm each stone's exact dimensions. In these CVD reactors, diamond seed plates are loaded sealed under vacuum and exposed to carbon-rich plasma, emerging thicker as new diamond layers build up. Fresh diamond seed plates cycle through ultrasonic baths and filtered air dryers, emerging perfectly clean before returning to the reactors in a continuous loop workflow. Freshly grown CVD diamond slabs cool in controlled airstreams before an automated gantry transfers them seamlessly toward the slicing stations for further processing. Broad diamond slabs are sliced by diamond grit wire saws, coolant flushing away the slurry as uniform rectangular preforms emerge in a steady, evenly spaced stream. Overhead scanners measure each frosted preform, while robotic paddles sort them onto parallel conveyors according to their size, color, and intended cut shape. Automated cutting carousels tilt and pause each mounted preform against spinning diamond scapes, step-by-step polishing precise facets before the finished stones slide onto cushioned belts. Automated girdling machines spin each near-finished diamond between opposing spindles, refining its outline into a precise, symmetrical shape before the stones move on for final polishing. In the polishing hall, automated pods press each nearly finished diamond against rotating diamond-dusted laps, fasting them step by step before releasing them onto a central conveyor. Cut diamonds ride past compact furnaces where controlled heat subtly adjusts their color before spectroscopic scanners decide whether each stone loops back or moves on. Each diamond advances through the station, where lasers drill microscopic channels to internal inclusions that are immediately treated and sealed by precise micro-injection units. Each finished diamond passes through an automated inspection line, where cameras, goniometers, and spectral lights measure its symmetry, fluorescence, and surface flaws before robotic sorting into graded bins. On a dedicated line, finished diamonds pause under synchronized spectroscopy domes, their atomic signatures checked against moving calibration standards before approved stones join the central prestige belt. Each graded lab-grown diamond passes through ultrasonic cleaning, rinsing, and filtered hot air drying, emerging pristine as it moves along soft pads toward final setting and mounting. Each finished diamond glides over ultra-sensitive scales and optical gauges, its weight and proportions captured in milliseconds, before automated paddles route it into precise size categories. Alloy bars melt in induction furnaces and are continuously cast, rolled and coiled into precise wires and bands, ready for automated ring and setting fabrication. Automated lines form, weld and polish metal bands and prong settings, as robotic arms transfer each piece through timed stations to emerge as gleaming unmounted ring moves. At the stone matching station, vision-guided robots pair graded lab-grown diamonds with precisely sized metal settings and load each match set into moving assembly cradles. Multi-axis robots secure each diamond into its metal setting with micrometer precision, using real-time imaging to center and level every stone before it moves on to final polishing. In the finishing hall, mounted diamond jewelry moves along an overhead track through synchronized buffing and polishing stations, where both metal and stones are refined into a uniform shine. At the final inspection carousel, high-value diamond jewelry is scanned, probed, and spectroscopically checked, with any flagged pieces diverted for rework before certification. Each finished diamond is scanned, imaged, and measured in sequence, its digital record updated in real time before automated gates routed into graded trays. In a secure finishing bay, each diamond piece is mist-cleaned, warm air dried, and gently transferred into velvet-lined carriers ready for final presentation packaging. On the packaging line, empty presentation boxes and their satin cushions are assembled by synchronized presses advancing in open formation, ready to receive the finished lab-grown diamonds. Precision robots place each finished diamond jewel into its velvet-lined box, aligning stones and arranging chains before smoothly sending the closed-ready cases down the line. Finished diamond presentation boxes are sealed, encased in rigid outer shells, and released onto the conveyor in precise, evenly spaced rows for shipment. Custom-cut foam cradles and lids are stamped, aligned, and pressed around each jewelry box before automated cartoners fold and seal the final shipping cartons. Foam-packed diamond units are sealed, coated, and weighed in automated cartons, with off-weight boxes diverted aside while correct loads continue toward palletizing. Robotic arms methodically stack sealed cartons into tight interlocking pallets, which move automatically into a shrink-wrapping tunnel where clear film secures each load for shipment. Automated vehicles and overhead shuttles move shrink-wrapped pallets of finished diamond packages into organized racks, quietly staging high-value orders for efficient dispatch. In the shipping area, pallets are automatically reorganized by region as robots restack cartons, apply tracking labels, and route each load toward its assigned loading dock. Automated dock systems load pallets directly from the factory conveyors into waiting trailers, using sensors and monitors to control spacing, balance, and trailer changeover. From the loading bays, climate-controlled trucks carrying graded lab-grown diamond shipments roll out in a steady, carefully timed stream toward distribution routes. In the distribution center, synchronized forklifts and automated conveyors route pallets of finished diamond packages to their designated retail destinations with continuous, precisely timed movement. In the showroom, automated carriers quietly present each finished lab-grown diamond, lifting open display boxes so the precisely cut stones catch the controlled white light.